It's the third time a customer has called back with the same issue. If most of your customers are facing the same trouble, your FCR is definitely poor. Poor FCR doesn't happen overnight. It creeps in when agents lack full context, calls don't reach the right person, and quick responses take over the right answer. At first, it looks like work pressure, but over time it unfolds. Satisfaction score falls, bad reviews spread, and customers start to leave. And all of it because the first call didn't solve their query. The good news? You can fix FCR. Here's where to start. 1. Know your number. Measure your FCR rate. If no one owns it, no one improves it. You can't fix what you don't track. 2. Spot the patterns behind repeat calls. Look at why customers are reaching out again. Observe the recurring issues that are impacting your FCR, and fix those first. 3. Talk to your agents. Listen for friction. Your support team knows where the calls fail and where information is missing. Let their daily struggles guide what needs to change. 4. Make every issue land in the right hands. Customers should speak to someone who can actually help. The first time. That means better routing, clearer roles, and removing guesswork. 5. Make solving the standard, not just replying. A quick response that leads to a callback? Still a fail. Solve the problem, not just respond to it. 6. End every call with clarity. Always confirm, "Is there anything else I can help you with today?" It may sound simple, but it often prevents that dreaded second call. FCR isn't just a metric. It's a direct reflection of how well your business supports its customers. And if you're ready to improve how every call is handled, KrispCall can help. An AI-powered phone system built for businesses that want to do support right. Visit KrispCall.com and take your customer experience to new heights.